Represent Malachi's birthday. Woo woo.
Part 2. Are you ready, Malachi?
You used to creep and crawl real well, but then you learned to walk real well. There was a time you'd coo and cry, but then you learned to talk, and my, you almost always try. You almost always do your best. I like the way you're growing up. It's fun, that's all. You're growing, you're growing, you're growing in and out. You're growing, you're growing, you're growing all about. Your hands are getting bigger now. Your arms and legs are longer now. You even sense your insides grow when mom and dad refuse you. So you're learning how to wait now. It's great.
These are good. These are good. I need a fork.
The graham crackers. Did you guys get graham crackers?
No, I don't. I don't need to.
What's some of these?
Penny.
Yeah, there you go.